Hey. Hey, you. You want to make a cooking video? You want to make a cooking video? Alright, fine. I guess the answer's... Okay, well, apparently she changed her mind. I guess we are cooking something. I'm... I am the worst person on the planet. Look at you. You're so cute. Look at it. MasterChef Lily. Goodness. That was totally worth the $24. Alright, now that the costume is off and somebody's back to being happy, per a friend, I got one of those, Misfits Market boxes, which is this interesting concept where you spend very little money and they send you an assortment of like fruits and vegetables that don't look good enough for stores. They're all organic, and they send you a box. It costs me about $30. It comes with so much stuff that I can spread that over 2 weeks, so say $15 a week, which is really good because if you ever go into a grocery store, at least a grocery store I'm near, you go in for vegetables and fruits, you know, it costs an arm and a leg and the rights to your firstborn child. So I decided to try it out and see what would happen. Normally I would do like an unboxing video online because people are absolute whores for unboxing videos. They love that shit. But due to some complications with the delivery, had nothing to do with Misfit Markets, I got the box extremely late and it was in really bad shape when I got it. So if this goes well, maybe next time I will do that. So I'm not a famous YouTuber or internet star, but I still believe I have to say legally that this is not a sponsored video because internet laws are weird. This is just something random that I decided to do. But so what they do is, and I'll put a link to the website in the description, but you can choose every week an assortment of vegetables and fruits that'll come in your box, or you can do what I did, which was just choose a random assortment, and they just randomly send whatever. I eat anything, so I just picked random. So what I got in my box was a big thing of cabbage. I got some, like, kale. A red onion. I got a bunch of pears. Pears! Which I ate a few from last night because I was hungry. And I got some green onions. Beets by Dre. Beets by Dre? And I got some mushrooms too. And I believe this is an orange turnip. So, I was thinking to myself, now, other website as well, when you get your box, they'll send you an email like, here are some recipe ideas if you like, for things and ideas to cook with all this stuff. But I don't want to do that. I like to go hard, so I'm going to turn this into almost like a game show where I'm just going to pick out whatever I randomly have in the house that would go with this, and I'm just going to cook that up regardless if I even know how to make it or not. That, what I pulled out of my storage, and I think I'm going to make with this, is I got a whole bunch of these ramen packages from Peachy for Christmas. Thank you very much, and I've been thinking about making those, but a little bit more elevated, how you would see online with a whole bunch of other ingredients added to it, not just the straight up eat it the ramen like we like to do. And, oh, hey, look who came back. Hey! Hi! Do you forgive me? She's inspecting. She was like trying to get up there and sniff at it a minute ago, and I snapped at her for it. I was like, no. No. Professionalism in the workplace. Anyways, and I have this pork tenderloin that I'm going to throw in the oven for a little while and see how this comes out. Because I'm not doing this like a normal soup, as it already comes with flavoring, this is what I just talked to you about. Hey. Hey. Down. Thank you. Since this already comes with flavoring, I'm not going to be making this stuff into like a stock or anything. What we're going to do is we're just going to do all of my veggies that I want to use from here, which isn't all of these because that would be weird. Put a pear in it. Actually, that might be good. Who knows? I will get to this later. We're just going to do this on the stovetop in some oil and crisp it all up. The tenderloin. You puncture it a lot with a fork, so that way a lot of the seasoning can also get into some of the fat. You generally want to cook in the oven at about 400 degrees for 30 minutes or so, but you want your fat cap up as the best that you can. This one's a little weird, as you can see. Maybe I don't know, it just doesn't really, it might stay like that, but who knows. Either way, we'll try it either way and let it cook like that. The seasoning on it, I don't know. I have no idea. This has been sitting in my freezer for a while. I've been meaning to do something with it. It's out now. We're doing something with it. So, yeah, throw that in the oven for like 30 minutes or so. Alright, so you know the routine, because it's me. Get some oil in the pan, get it up to temperature, and then, of course, just a little, just a little. You only want, yeah. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Perfect. And we're gonna find something to stir that up with. I guess this will work. Let's just, oh yeah, there we go. Nice. Nice. Ah, it's popping all over the place. You see that? Perfect. Okay. Now, so we got that going. Got these cut up potatoes. So the green onions, I cut up into 2 sections. I got more of the stems and then like the stalky parts. There's a reason for that. The stems are going to get cooked up. The stalky parts are for garnish. And then we have, of course, a lot of garlic. So obviously I put the 2 starches in first, because those are going to take the longest to cook. We're going to want to get them soft and golden brownish. Now, an easy way to tell is after stirring it up a whole lot and giving it a while to cook, you could take a fork and you should be able to get right through it. If anybody would like to go fund me some money for a GoPro so I can actually do this more professionally, because I can't even see really what I'm doing right now. I'm looking through the camera on my phone with one hand and then doing this. It'd be helpful if somebody had thumbs. Oh, she's not there anymore. Pepper, paprika, and red pepper, okay? Just a nice mixture of it. I don't use any measurements, I just do what I know what I do. Then we're going to mix that right in. Nice. And then we're going to put the lid back on and let that cook for a bit. You can clearly see we are getting very close to having these done. So we are now going to add in the green onion and the cal. Let that cook down a little bit. For the ramen part. So we're going to do that. Just throw that right in there like so. Pick up the rest of this. And it's ramen. I'm pretty sure you know how it is. Leave it in there until it's soft. And actually we're going to leave it in there anyways because that liquid is going to be the stock for the rest of everything else anyways. So I will break this up and stir it around a bit and see you again in a couple minutes. So I went ahead and added the flavoring packet, it's plural, off camera. I apologize greatly for that, but I needed 2 hands to do that. And again, that's why I need a GoPro to sit on my head. Yeah? I forgot you were there. What are you doing licking your tail? You're so weird. What are you doing? Oh, yeah? Hi, cutie. Oh, no. That means the tenderloin is done. Let's go check on it, shall we? Let's go check on it. Nom 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 nom. You ready? Are you ready? To speed up time, I did end up cutting the tenderloin in half because it was taking longer than I wanted to. But that generally is actually kind of a common thing here because this oven isn't that strong. And there you go. How to make a wonderful Misfit Markets dish and ramen dish with just what's laying around your home. Thank you.